So this is my background layer and this is the text layer. And now first of all I'm going to opening my image. So let's open my image from computer. And now I'm just adding this image into this project and press Ctrl T to enable free transform. And now just resize your image just like so. And now just right click on the image layer and click on create clipping mask. And now you can select the image layer and you can change your image position just like so. And let's select a different background. And here we can see the final result.